Hey, what's up, guys? From Canada with love, Caledonian ships home 17 barrels of essentials for its communities. Mhm. Kareem Constantine is a satisfied man after shipping off from Canada 17 barrels of foodstuff, toiletries, cleaning supplies, and other essentials for individuals of various communities in Clarendon, where he spent his formative years. The Glenmuir High School past student, who now calls Canada home, said he has one mission in mind, and that was to make a difference in Clarendon. In an interview, Constantine related how his journey in outreach started when he was a student at the University of the West Indies in 2007. He said, and I quote, "I was a resident on campus living on Rex Netherford Hall. Students were moving out as their exam had ended, but I observed a disturbing trend. Large quantity of properly good food, clothes, personal hygiene products, cleaning supplies, and even small household appliances were being thrown out." He said the idea struck him to request the leftover food items and other stuff. He soon realized that it was more than he could handle as word spread and everyone was eager to contribute. He had to solicit help from friends in the collection drive. He also added, "Little did I know that word spread further than the confines of my hall and made its way on campus. I received a call from the guild office secretary one day asking me to drop by her office because she heard about my collection drive and would love some support for a family in Vineyard Town." It turned out that a large family of 4 single mothers and their 9 children had recently lost everything except a bed frame in a fire. He continued, having that since he was collecting and didn't have anyone special in mind to give, he would give everything to the family. Their expression of joy and gratitude had such an impact on Constantine that he vowed to continue being involved in outreach and he would make it a yearly effort. Fast forward to 2020 and Constantine can now look back at some of his many efforts that include coming to aid of charity, fire victims, missionary of the poor, and the mustard seed communities, to name a few. The young philanthropist says that what has kept him going and influenced what he is doing is the thrill of helping people, seeing the growing need of those who have fallen on hard times, and the support from his amazing group of friends and family members who always came through for him. He said simply, and I quote, "The values instilled in me as a child by my mother Dawn Constantine has kept me going." End quote. With COVID-19 affecting many, Constantine said his outreach this year is timely, and the need to create an even bigger impact has seen him launching a GoFundMe campaign which raised over 5,000 Canadian dollars, the proceeds of which he used to buy needed items which he shipped.